Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. I promise this is going to be the shortest video I've ever made. Hear that annoying squeak? That's where it's coming from. Usually, if you put your foot on the tailpipe, hear that? Stopped. It'll slowly come back as it vibrates. I'm going to give you the part number that you need to get that fixed. Hear it slowly coming back? There's the baby there. That's what I find fixes it, replacing that gasket. They're about 30 bucks. You can just get them at your local dealer or whatever. There's your part number. What else can I tell you about it? We're meant to keep this short. Some people replace the springs. I don't see what replacing the springs is going to do. If you want more tension on the springs, you could possibly, look, what happens is, from all the vibration and mainly cars that go off-road, all the dirt and dust and mud gets in there and it acts like sandpaper and it rubs this, and the vibration from the diesel engine, it really polishes it up, and that's what causes the squeal. So if you want to be a bit of a miser, just take it out. You could probably get some really rough emery paper, like this stuff here, really rough, and give it a good sand up. Bit like deglazing brake discs, sort of things we used to do. But anyway, that's the surface there. You need to give that a bit of work there. And if you want, you can try pull the springs and give them a bit of a retension, make it a bit tighter. Just be careful you don't over tighten the bolts, because you'll see what I mean. Have a good look at it before you pull it apart. I think they're about 14mm bolts, pretty easy to change. I said it'd be a short video, that's it. Check out our channel, we've got heaps of better videos than this. They go for longer because they got a lot more information. So please, if that helped you fix that annoying squeak, give us the thumbs up. If you already knew about it, give us a thumbs up. If you think the other videos are good, give us the thumbs up and subscribe, turn the bell on, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.